Touch the hair system, and Zoe's just pressing down the lace at the front, as you can see, very natural. Not going to go the one direction though, are you?
No, no, I think that's a few years ago for me, that one.
Is it going to be swept back slightly, or?
Yeah, I'd quite like to keep the similar sort of style that I did when I had the first system, which was, yeah. Sort of
back off your face a bit.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Got boyish looks, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holding on to him.
Well done.
It's good for 50.
How old are you?
For 60. 40 now, but you can edit that bit out of the video. You can
Well, no, I'm going to keep that in.
Yeah.
Keep that in because people won't believe you're 40.
Oh, yeah.
Turn around and face me, swivel. Look at that. Give us a smile. Turn
Not the
around
worst
that
smile
way.
in the world. Eh?
No, it's not. That's it. Go on, spin around like I do on my videos. You've watched enough, haven't you?
Yeah, I have seen a few of them, you're right.
Well, make fun then. I go wee all the way round.
I don't want to mess the hair up.
That's it. You happy?
Yeah, absolutely, mate.
Come on,
absolutely.
give us a big thumbs up then.